Every insurance company tells you that bundling your home and auto saves you money. That's true. But here's what they don't tell you. The actual savings might be $300 a year, or they might be 500. And sometimes, and I see this all the time in my agency, you're actually better off splitting your policies between two carriers. By the end of this video, you're going to know the exact dollar amount you should expect to save when bundling actually loses money, and the trap that's costing loyal customers hundreds over time. Let's use a real example. Minnesota homeowner, one car, standard coverage. Standalone auto is $1,600 a year. Standalone home is $1,900. That's $3,500 total. Now, bundle those with the same carrier. You get 12% off auto, 15% off home. Your bundled auto drops to $1,408. Home drops to $1,615. Total $3,023. You save $477 a year. That's real money. But here's the thing. That number changes based on where you live, what you drive, the age of your house, and the carrier. 300 to 600 a year is realistic for most Minnesota households. The bundle discount exists because a customer with two policies doesn't shop around as much as a customer with one. You're sticky. You've got inertia, and that saves the carrier money on customer acquisition. They share that savings with you. It's also a signal to them that you're financially stable, you maintain continuous coverage, and you're slightly lower risk overall. That's why both your policies get cheaper at the same time. Neither one subsidizes the other. Now, when does bundling not make sense? Suppose your current carrier quotes you $2,200 for auto, but a competitor quotes you $1,600 for auto stand alone. 12% off 2,200 gets you to 1936. You're still $336 worse off than the competitor. The bundle discount doesn't always beat a base rate that's just higher to start with. Same thing if you've got a high risk auto, an older home that needs specialized coverage, or you live in a state where carriers are competing so hard that standalone rates are better than bundled rates anywhere else. The answer is simple. Run the actual numbers, get a bundled quote from one carrier, then get standalone quotes from two or three others. Do the math. Don't do brand loyalty math. Here's the one thing nobody talks about that costs you money. Carriers raise rates on loyal customers every year, especially on auto. They know you're not going to shop around because you're bundled and you've been with them a while. So they bump your premium 5%, 7%, sometimes 10% per year. You don't notice it comes in the mail, you just pay it. Meanwhile, they're offering new customers significantly lower rates to switch to them. Pull up your own renewal history and look at the past 3 to 5 years. If your premium's gone up steady every single year, that's what's happening to you. Stop letting that happen. Call us right now at 763-733-7475. We're licensed in Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, Iowa, Illinois, Ohio, Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas, and Arizona. We can run you a complete quote in about 3 minutes. Or